I am beyond excited. I got a gift from one of my subscribers that I want to share with you. Yay! Thank you. I want to say a big thank you. And I will open it and I will show you who it is. So let me get a little bit closer. This is from, thank you so much, Mr. Anthony Garcia, much for this lovely gift. And let's see what is inside here. This is a big box of goji berry chrysanthemum tea. Look at this, guys. I am so excited. I'm big on tea, and so I am so excited. Thank you so much, Mr. Anthony Garcia. I am so excited. I know chrysanthemum tea is good for eyes and the immune system and all of that. Thank you so much. I love tea. I'm leaning to healthy tea and so on, and I'm so excited. So I want to say a big shout out another time to Mr. Antonio Garcia. May God bless you richly and provide for you more and more. Thank you. So now guys, it tells you that this tea is organic, no sugar, no additives or anything. It also tells you how much you should consume and all of that, and what a tea bag is made of. So I'm so excited. I just can't wait to consume this tea. I'm big on tea. It's so good for your immune system, for your eyes and all of that. So when I try it out, I'll give you guys an update. So let's get ready and go to Lowe's, okay? So guys, I'm at Lowe's trying to do a secret shopping for my apartment. Remember now, turning that old shed into a beautiful apartment. The tour is coming up very soon. I know you guys have waited a long time ago, but finally it's almost finished. And so yeah, I want to do secret shopping for it today. All right. This one is pretty. Now let's go down to the lower department. These are like vegetables. I think this is banana or plantain. I guess that's what it is. I like these ones here. These are beautiful right here. Yeah. Now guys, look at these, how pretty these are. $13.98. Aren't these beautiful? Yeah. These are pretty. It's spring, guys. It's time for making beautiful gardens. Yeah. I like these up here. They're pretty. Now let's go over here. Let's see this. These are for $12.98. These right here. $12.98. Look at these. So pretty. Beautiful flower. Are you guys ready for spring? Because I am so ready for spring, guys. So ready for spring. Yeah. I have these that go wild. Once upon a time, I have these flowers that go wild, and you wouldn't even know that they sell. You know, some of the beautiful wild plants that we destroy, they sell them in their own stores. Okay, let me get out your way. All right.